How to change payment method in Progressive Insurance. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you want to change payment method in Progressive Insurance, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first step is to log into your account. So enter your username, password, and then log into your account. Once you do, you want to click on the account option, which is right over here. Once you have clicked on account, here as you can see you are brought to my account page. Now from here as you can see there's payment, so you want to click on manage payment methods option. Once you click on it, you can find all the bank account details or credit card, debit card details over here. If you want to add any, you can simply click on add credit card option. If you want to remove the particular bank or credit card or debit card, click on it and the next interface will be taken to the info page, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see a bin icon. Click on it and after that you have successfully removed your bank account. Once you have done that, you can head back to this same page and then there is add credit card or add bank account option, so you can click on that. After that, you will have to enter your account details such as your account name, number, your CVP number, and so on. After you have entered all the details, you want to click on the save button. Once you do, you have successfully changed your payment method in Progressive Insurance. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.